Tuesday. All right, what are we doing today? Egg noodles, sharp cheddar cheese, sour cream, cottage cheese, Worcestershire sauce, salt, onions, parmesan. Oh, spam turkey. Turkey spam. We're going to be making spam and Noodles Romanoff from an old vintage printout I found online. I'm not sure I've ever had Noodles Romanoff, and I certainly haven't had it with spam. I just thought turkey spam would go better with a creamy noodle mixture. The recipe does not call for Parmesan cheese, but I am going to add 1/3 cup in. It asks for minced onions, but mine are a little bit more bite size. I will list the recipe below. It says use a sharp cheese. It doesn't say which. This is sharp white cheddar. It doesn't say to cook the spam or the onions. I don't think I want to just put the spam in the way it is. I want to brown it. Some of them I'm going to leave uncooked because I'll be putting them on the top of the casserole. We'll cook the noodles, 5 to 6 ounces of uncooked noodles. Let's get cooking the spam. Let's get cooking the onion. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Try it? What's it called again? Romanoff? Recipe says to leave it in for 40 minutes. I left it in for 35. The cheese didn't seem to be browning, which was a little upsetting. Is it gonna be hot? It's spammy. Let's try some without the spam. I can taste the Worcestershire. Oh, it's good without the spam. Let's try a piece of spam. It's pretty good. It's something I've never had before. I don't have a frame of reference. Let's try another piece here. Tastes good. It doesn't taste dry. It just looks kind of dry. I got a piece of onion. You know, spam is one of those things you either like or you don't like. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. I think I got a little hate of Tabasco there. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.